Here's the Triplett 360 that I bought this weekend at the Raleigh Flea Market. And it looks like a pretty nice meter. Here I've opened it up and you can see that it's pretty clean. The negative battery terminal is pretty corroded. And I had a tough time getting that battery out because that's supposed to be a spring and it turned into a solid chunk of something. Anyway, I managed to get it out. And here's a closer look at that corrosion. Now, I also bought some Triplett test leads with this, not with the meter, but separately. And there's two sets there. There's a real long set and a shorter set. So I was glad to get those. I also wanted to get some information on this meter, the manual. And if you haven't run into the Boat Anchor Manual Archives, you might want to check it out. Besides having lots of information on boat anchors, on radios, they have a lot of information about many different things, including this Triplett 360. Here the terminal has been repaired. It's not perfect yet. I thought I'd wait and see if the meter movement works before I put any more work into this project. Okay, before I put any more work into this, let's see if the meter movement works and approximately how accurate this thing is. I'm going to zero this meter here. There we go, that's pretty good. Now, I'll start off with a 1.5 volt battery. Oops. Let's see, I think I'd loosen the leads here. Okay, it reads a little over 1.5 volts. It's on the 3 scale, which is the 300 here. And it came up to about there. I'll do that again. Okay. Well, we know that the meter movement's good. Let's try a 9 volt battery. Got one right here. Let's see, this is negative. And this is positive. And it's reading a little over 9 volts, which is probably right. It's on the 12 volt scale. It's that one right there. 12 volts. Came up to about there. Okay. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing. I've got it on the 3 volt scale. Give you a little closer look. Here's a 1.5 volt battery. Yeah, I loosen the leads again. I'm going to have to tighten these things up. There we go. And you can see the 300 scale there. That's the 3. We're reading a little over 150, so that would be a little over 1.5 volts. Now I'm going to change the scale. Go up to 12 volts. Here's the 9 volt battery. So the 12 volt scale will be this bottom black one here, and we read it on that scale here. Oops, come on. And it's reading a little over 9 volts. About 9.5, I guess. I don't want to get in front of the camera, but that's what it looks like from here. I'm glad to see that the meter movement works just fine, and the meter on voltage is pretty accurate. So I'm going to continue with this project. Thanks for watching.